Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ad series, we will understand how you can write eye-catchy title and description for your Google search ad campaigns. Guys, whenever we are running any Google search ad campaign, I would say the two most important things for any particular search campaign is the headline and the description of your ad copy, because this is the very first and only thing that your customer sees, and based on that they react to it, they respond to it. If it is not an eye catchy, if it is not something that they can relate with, and if your headline and description will not excite them to take some action, then they will not perform any kind of action, whether it is a download or maybe purchase, sale or anything. Just to make you understand, I have searched for a keyword which is called online MBA, and as you can see there are sponsored results, first, second, third and fourth. So let's talk about these four results. So if you see the first one that say online MBA in this fee at this. Now if you see, this is the headline and this is the description. This is the description. Here in this particular ad copy, the headline says or talks about the fees upfront per semester, because they might be targeting the people who are actually trying to know the fees of the MBA course per semester. And in the description they have the EMI plans, apply today, 100% placement, this means moreover they are focusing on two things. First is the fees of the semester and maybe the EMI feature and whether there is a placement support available or not. The second thing says Parallel University online MBA 3 days left to apply. Here they are not focusing on the fees, they are focusing on that only 3 days are left, please hurry up. If you miss this deadline, then maybe you will be late and your seat will be gone. So here is the FOMO kind of a thing which is being shown. Third thing is online MBA from this online future ready online MBA. So here it talks about that we are providing an MBA program which is a future ready. It means we are teaching you that skill which is required for future job opportunities or maybe in your future career. The fourth is MBA pay after placement Shalini online MBA degree. So here it says a very strong call to action that you pay only when you are placed. So it means they are saying that we provide 100% placement. So if you see, these are the four ad copies on a particular keyword in such case. So if you see that all the headline and description are different, and people are based on the advertisers understanding, based on their customer audience research, they are preparing the headline according to them. But if you will notice that these are not generic headlines, these are USP specific headlines, or these are value driven headlines, so that people gets excited to take some action. Now in order to create such kind of headline and description, or maybe better than that, there are two options. First is to do it manual ways, second is to do it with the help of AI. And of course when we have AI tools, multiple AI tools, then why not to take help from them? And in this video we are using two of very popular tools, that is Gemini and ChatGPT, and both free version we will be using, so that even if you don't have a pro version, you can relate to that. And in order to generate eye-catchy headline and description, I have also generated a master prompt which you can use for any business, and as soon as you give that particular prompt into any AI tool, it will fetch a very good headline and description for your particular search ad campaign. So if you want to download that, the link is given in the description. Go and download that. So if you are using ChatGPT, then there are two ways, of course, giving a generic prompt and giving a master prompt. So the master prompt that I have here with me, the master prompt that we have here with us is this. So if I just little bit increase the size of the font, now if you see there are two prompts. First is master prompt and the second version is the advanced version of the same thing, right? So let's understand one by one. The first one is, you are a world-class Google Ads copywriter and direct response marketing expert. Your task is to generate high converting Google Ads search copy that maximize CTR, that is click-through rate, and conversions. Now here in this prompt, you just need to insert the details which says business name, industry, product, target audience. So you can use this prompt based on your business requirement, and for any kind of business, all you need to do is just fill up the details which is required to insert in this particular prompt. So this, once you give the business detail, the second thing is you need to define the campaign goal, whether you want leads, sales or awareness or website traffic. Then you can give your primary keywords that you have searched for. After giving the keywords, now it will give the instruction to the ChatGPT or any AI tool that what needs to be done, and then optional enhancement this. And then what is the output format? Output format is headline, description, call to out, structure, and this. Now let's try to use it, and I have filled all the details considering that I have a real estate business, for example. So I have the filled prompt here. So right now I have assumed that I have a real estate business, right? And I need to generate leads. So what I have given as a detail is, let's say business detail, the name of my brand, the industry, the product, that service that I am providing, that is luxurious 3 and 4 BHK residential flats in Delhi NCR. Then target audience is, of course, when it is a high value property, then high income professional families and property investor looking for a premium home. Location is Delhi NCR. USP is prime location, luxury amenities, spacious layout, high ROI investment potential, trusted builder project. 1.5 CR is, the starting price. The tone of the voice will be premium, professional and slightly urgent. The campaign goal will be leads, of course. Primary keywords are these. Instruction is the same as it is, and then optional enhancement and everything else. Now let's give this prompt to ChatGPT and let's see what kind of output does it give us. And you can see now it has started generating the headlines and description in every type. That is headline maximum 30 characters each. Now you can see luxury 3 BHK in Delhi NCR, NCR premium 4 BHK apartments, buy flats in Gurgaon now, 3 BHK home starting. So based on all the details that you have given, it has just started generating. You can see the description here, you can see the call outs here, you can see the structured snippet, what you need to add, site link extension, what kind of site link extension will be feasible for you. Now same thing you can apply for the another prompt, that is master prompt pro version, and you can fill all the details here. Now this prompt will give you details on any of the AI tool. Now let's use the same prompt, filled prompt, into Gemini as well. So I'll just copy it. So I'll just copy this prompt again, go to Gemini. Now this time I'm using Gemini, paste the prompt here, and now let me fill it here. Now as soon as I inserted this prompt into Gemini or maybe any other AI tool, you can use it. Now you can see it has also started giving me the output in the same desired manner which I requested, because the prompt was so awesome or so structured that any AI tool could not resist to give me the output which I want in my own way. Now if you don't use this kind of structured prompt, then you would not get this kind of output. All you will get is a generic output, as a generic thing, and you will not be able to filter it out, and you will need a lot of time to get more detailed output out of that, because your prompt is very generic. So don't use generic prompts, use these kind of master prompt which I have. You can download them from the link given in the description box. I will see you in the next video. Take care.